So to pass more than one value, so you can use values is equal to. So you can create any of the variable name. Okay, not only the value. So you can create any of the variable, and you can assign the number of values. Okay, so the group of values or various values you can assign to that variable, and then you can pass that variable to the function. Okay, so the function. So you can use. So this will reduces the, like, it will reduce the executing several, I mean, large values. Okay, so if you wanted to use large values, then you can do that. Okay, and then if there is no output from your function, okay, so you can also just define like my function with the function and function name, like my function, in such a way you can create. Okay, so I'll show you an example, like so function hello of number. So I'm just creating a function for displaying something like uh, welcome. Okay, so here start is a value. So from there we need to start our execution. Okay, so for x equal to, so we have already completed loops, right, statements. So you can use them within the functions. X equal to DISP. Or you can directly x equal to 1 here, no problem. And we need to first end the and finally the function, right? So now save the file. So now I need to give parameters. Times, let us say 5. Some error is here. So it is showing yes. So you can see that 5 times this function has been executed. Okay. So to repeatedly execute this, so I have used for loop. So you can use any of other loops also. Okay. So while loop, if else, you can do any, you can use any of the loops. Okay. And as you know that we can also have nested loops or sorry, nested functions. So function within a other function. Okay. So that is also possible. So when we are using, I mean, we are dealing with the MATLAB. So here nested functions can also be created. I'll show you. So see here. So this is the demo related to the nested function. So I have given the function out equal to demo nested of in is an input, and then A, B, C are the values which I have declared under this first function. Okay, and then here for the out, I'm also assigning other function name with the passing of values like A, B in. Okay, and then again, so what I have done is that I am using another function within the same function. So here I have assigned some other variable name with the function name. So I am passing the parameters. So here what this output will consisting of is that A plus B plus P is a operation. Okay, so whatever you'll pass, so with this function name, okay, will reflect here. Okay, so as I have declared the variables within the function itself. Okay, so function within the other function. So nested functions. So now I can access this in value. So then this in value will be again reflected or accessed by the another function which I have declared within the function. So for executing this function, so what should you do is that you should give demo of, you need to give some value. Okay, so as an input, already A, B values are 10 and 20. So now whatever I pass as in, okay, will be added to the this value. I mean, will be added and summed, and then that will be assigned to the value here. Okay, so VAL is a variable name, so which will consist of that one. Okay, so now if I pass like 50, then answer would be 80, because 50 plus 10 plus 20, obviously 30. Sorry, 80. Okay, so now if I do like, let's see once what it will do. So we need to pass arguments. So here answer is also having 80, and then demonstrated is also shown some value like 80. So before that, we didn't get that one because we haven't given any of the so see here. So in the previous we haven't get anything, but it is only assigned to ANS default value. Default variable answer has 80, but now we have displayed. So whatever the value is consisting of, so that is also displayed again here. So 80 and 80. So 2 times we got the answer. So this is related to the nested functions. Okay, so and if you wanted to sort, okay, you want to sort values, so there is a predefined function in the MATLAB, so which is sort. Okay, we can simply use sort, as I have used product. Prod is a function, predefined function for making or for doing the product. Okay, so we can also have the sorted sort function, so for displaying values in a sorted manner. Okay, so I have already given some values. Okay, so x equal to 1, 6, 8, and I'll add some more numbers, 10, 9, so and so on. Okay, so I have given a group of numbers here. Okay, so which are assigned for value of x. Now I need to have, I need to display. So I need to display the numbers in a sorted order. Okay, so for that purpose, we'll use the function sort. Okay, which is a predefined function. You can directly give the variable name here, so which is having the numbers. Okay, and then you can also have descendant. Okay, so in which order they need to display. So obviously sort will give you the ascendant manner, but if you wanted to display them in a descendant, you can use descent is a another property as a feature. So we can add beside the variable name. Okay, so here x comma descendant. So we'll give you the descendant order values. So if we execute this one, so see here. So in the two, you have first ascendant values 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in such a way, and then again in the descendant. So reverse order, you got the result. Okay, so in such a way you need to use the predefined functions. Okay, so I'll tell you some of the other functions so which will be used. So in between, okay, so you try this functions. Okay, so define the function with the function name like my function, or you can give any of the function, and then you do the operations. Okay, and share your screen. If you got any doubts or if you get any error, please share your screen. We'll combinedly clear your doubts. Okay, so try this once. In between, I'll tell you more. More related predefined functions and some other things that we'll discuss. Okay, is it okay?